Hi folks, I'm sorry for the future cars passing by, but I found an amazing spot with some free straw for my Cob House project. Alright folks, I'm really sorry about this noise around. It's very big traffic in the Rhodes Mountains in Bulgaria, and I found this spot where they left a couple of big pieces of straw recently, but they removed them, and now this thing, I'm sure nobody's gonna take it. There's quite some more over there, and I'm gonna gather this because this is free material for my EcoCop workshop project. This is gonna be the phase 1 of my Cob House dream project. Let me now a little bit of this straw. You can see, even when you gather like that straw, even if you take a little bit of dirt, don't worry, because the cob material in the future will be mixed, you know, dirt, clay dirt, water and straw. This straw is ready to build. I'm not gonna have to cut it 5-10 centimeters length, so it's just grain material. Yeah, quite a lot of straw. Oh, yep. This is gonna add a little more eco-friendliness to my house, because I was planning to buy straw from some Bulgarian producers, but maybe I'll gather 1-2 bags of this straw, and this is gonna save me some money. I'm trying to keep the less money I spend on this house, the better. Also, the house will be entirely from cob. I'm not gonna use concrete or anything like metal or any other raw materials that I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna use stone, wood from the side. I will try to source wood in the best eco-friendly way, and of course let me now gather more straw. I use my bare hands for this. Good material. Whoa. I love it. I don't know about you, but I am very dedicated to start this August this project. Somebody is turning around their car. All right. Actually, I took only 2 bags. There is quite some more. Probably tomorrow I'll come back, because I think 2 bags will not be enough to gather all this material. Yeah. I wonder where to start from, you know. Very good. So, enough for this video, guys. I'm gonna show you tomorrow how much more I have gathered, because I don't like you to hear this noise from the cars. Thanks for watching.